Hello everyone, I'm Paul Irbin, CEO of Orbit8, and I'm going to give you a very short product demo. So we start with our homepage where you can log in with your existing credentials or create your account with Gmail or Azure accounts. And once you have done that, here I'm showing how to do it with Gmail. So once you have done that, you every time you log into you through our webpage, you will be offered to open the dashboard right away. So you need to log in every time. So once we come to our dashboard, you see some already existing things that you can try out, like seeing your career guidance or chatbot or connection to some other areas in the platform. Normally, every new user is starting their journey with completing the psychometric assessment. There are three sections to go through. Important part in our tool is that every answer that you've choose, it's saved, and anytime you come back and you want to revisit your psychometric assessment, answers are there, so you can just adjust them according to how you feel currently, and that of course will influence your career suggestions. There are three sections. It takes in total around 20 to 30 minutes to complete everything. This is a 360 assessment that involves all the most important psychometric assessment tools available. All psychometric assessment tools are scientifically validated, and after completing the assessment, users are directed to professional DNA side, where our unique algorithm is suggesting three important career dimensions. One is what to study, what are suggested study directions, what are industries suggested for user, and what are working styles. So this gives a perfect combination of every for every person to really decide what their career can be about. In my case, we're showing top three suggested study directions, and everyone can have a look at them and have more understanding. And The same goes for sector, the same goes for working styles. So this is primary output of our algorithms. Then already when people see their top three suggestions, then they can start playing around, and then they can choose from these top three. Maybe don't like top one, so they choose maybe second one or third one, and they can use AI tools to actually see what kind of actual jobs this combination would generate for them. And let's see what generates for this combination. So again, it creates already very practical suggestions, and person can see is it a good fit for them or not, or they can then choose a best fit. So this is a general thing that goes in here. In later editions, we're also will be adding what universities or exact study programs would be best fit based on your professional DNA. There's also a networking part, and in the current version, it's not very active at the moment for the users, but still some users are willing to invite their friends, and see how they're aligning together. There's a future for that. I'm not going to go in detail on that. So that is overall experience on the user side. But as you can see, there's also an enterprise version available, and this is mostly for those people who are running schools, universities, businesses, or some agencies. And you can use this enterprise version when you want to analyze a larger amount of users in your network. So, for example, I would just use Riga Technical University as this is our first customer that has been implementing Orbit8 for the past half a year. And once I switch to enterprise version, I can also see general information about all the users right now. Riga Technical University launched this year Orbit8 free of charge for all the students. So you can see how many students are using Orbit8, and you can see already maybe major statistics that might be useful for you as a university. There's I will start from analytical part that companies can use. So since we are offering these three dimensions of the platform, roles, sectors, and professions. So a university can say, okay, show me what are our top one roles potentially for users, and then we can see that university can see some general data. Okay, have some quite a big amount of potential inventors, hands-on operators, entrepreneurs, and so on. So this gives for university or any organization in what kind of environments their users or their employees are most effective. The same can happen, and the same good statistics might be on industries or sectors, and we can say, show me top three sectors that students or my users are aligning with. And again, it gives a lot of good insights on what kind of industries could be interesting or useful for our users, and how we can interact with those industries. And of course, most importantly, we can also check top three professions. So, and this gives you an idea on what kind of competencies our users are most stronger. So this gives a very, very general gives very general understanding of overall users. But then we can go into a deeper statistics, so we can say, okay, show me exactly now. I see there's a lot of users who are potential entrepreneurs. So let's ask and show me all the users whose top one role is entrepreneur. So I can actually see all those students, and I could, if I'm interested, I can go deeper into their profile and see their results, and maybe even get in touch with them. So this is basically a way how you can find and pinpoint exactly profile of students that you want to do. You can do this to help students to align better with study programs, with industries, find the best combination of their bachelor degree or master degree topic, and many, many more. So this is a very quick insight into our product. From here, I can go back and choose some other organizations that we're working with. This is how it works. Hope you enjoyed this. Drop a line. What do you think should be improved? Drop a line. What do you think would work best? And arrange a call with us. Thank you very much.